Hello guys, you join me inside this little cubby hole that I've managed to get the S4 into just about. There's a little bit of a tight space right there. But we're going to do the mirrors today because when I changed the alloys, now that the car's gone a bit more black, it doesn't look quite right having the bright silver mirror. So we're going to change the mirror caps for carbon fibre mirror caps today. And as you can tell, the weather is atrocious. So parked it in here and hopefully that will do the job. First thing that I've got to do is move down the mirror, just make it as far down possible as it will go. Oh, I just got water right down my crack. Now I'm going to use this trim removal tool. You can get them online for really cheap. Mirror should just pop off of these tabs at the top here. There we go. That's one mirror out. You can see just here and over here, these are the bits that it's plugged into, and then it's stuck in around this one as well. Then you've got to take your T10 Torx, and there's 3 little Torx pieces in here. You'll be able to tell which ones they are because they are the ones for the actual housing, this plastic piece here. Perfect. Cool. And then that should lift out like that. And now, having done everything back to front, I've got the mirror on. And do you know what? It looks all right. The thing is, I'm not a massive fan of all black, but I don't know why I'm doing my car all black then. Actually, that's probably a good point. And there we go guys, those are the new mirrors on the S4, and it kind of just brings it back a little bit from having too much silver compared to the black. Yes, we've got the fog light grills to do, yes, we've got a few other little jobs, but those mirrors make a hell of a difference in the way that this thing looks. And guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. We're going to do a few more bits on this Audi S4. We're going to sort these handles out, we're going to sort out the rear diffuser, we're going to sort a few other bits out to try and tie this car back together after getting these new alloys on. If you haven't watched the alloy video, go and watch that video. I'll put it in the card up here somewhere, and you can go and watch that with ease. Cheers guys, see you in the next one. Have a great week. See you later on. Cheers.